When commissioning a generic interface module, the screen will be a little bit different than what is shown on the CT module. You'll still enter in the circuit name. So in this case, I'm going to call this a chiller. You put in the cable color. It's really important to note which port of the generic interface module you're on, because the phase association is very important for making sure the power calculations are correct. Because the generic interface module takes many different sizes of current transformers, you can select what size of CT you use from the array that we provide. And there's a particular option for Rogowski coil, because the Rogowski coil power calculation is done differently than the split core ferrite. So in this case, we're not using Rogowski coil, so I'm going to leave that option off. And then you repeat the steps for the next phases, making sure that the current transformer that this port is connected to the correct color phase. And it will likely be the same size CT that you're using for each of these ports of the GIM. So I'm going to call this chiller again and hit next. And then this is also the same breaker, and it's also 200 amp. You can see when you select it as the same breaker, it'll autofill the name and the size of the CT.